Turning our attention now to the ASX, here's Matt Birney and Bulls and Bears with the latest public company views and interviews.
Welcome to Bulls and Bears, where we break down the latest ASX announcements from public companies that are doing interesting things. Today's Bulls and Bears report is brought to you by Superior Resources, ASX code SPQ. I'm Matt Birney, and I'm joined now on 6PR by the Managing Director of Superior Resources, Peter Hwang. Hi, Peter.
Good morning, Matt.
Superior Resources is exploring a suite of gold and copper projects in North Queensland. They include the Victor and Nicholson projects north of Mount Isa and the Greenvale project west of Townsville, which includes the steam engine gold deposit where the company has been focusing its attention of late. Superior has just wrapped a lovely set of numbers around the steam engine gold deposit in its recently tabled scoping study that contemplates a fast-track pathway to cash flow via toll treating. Peter, you recently released a new resource for steam engine. Just how big is that deposit now and what sort of grades is it showing?
Quite modestly, it's 1.73 million tonnes, average grade 2.2 grams per tonne for a total of 122,000 ounces.
I took a quick look at your scoping study on steam engine and at face value the numbers look pretty good. Let's go through them with a few rapid fire questions. Firstly, what's the initial contemplated mine life for the toll treating operation?
Base case scenario is 21 months.
And what's it going to cost you to get this thing up and running?
About 5 million capex and closure costs, a total of 10 million in funding.
What's the internal rate of return on that outlay?
242%.
And how long will it take you to pay the money back?
11 months.
Okay, how many ounces of gold will the project churn out in that 21-month period?
We're looking at 70,000 ounces.
And importantly, what's it going to cost you to produce an ounce of gold? What's the all-in sustaining cost estimate? And how does that compare against today's Australian dollar gold price?
The AISC is $1,673 per ounce. Today's gold price is about 2,300 Aussie.
Okay, now the big question, how much money is it going to make in that 21-month period? Let's go with free cash flow. What do you think the free cash flow will be at the end of that 21-month toll trading campaign?
Our post-tax free cash is 24.2 million.
Now tell me about the broader strategy for the Greenvale project. Steam engine sits within that Greenvale project. What's your strategy for the broader project?
Steam engine's an accessory project really within the Greenvale project. Greenvale is dominated by copper and nickel projects. These are tier 1 size targets in copper and nickel, and they've been the main focus. Steam engine will provide a good foundation to explore and realise the potential in those copper and nickel targets.
Peter Hwang from Superior Resources, thanks for joining me on 6PR today. And remember, Bulls and Bears is only here to give you information, not advice, which you should of course seek independently. I'm Matt Birney. Thanks for listening to Bulls and Bears.
For more public company CEO interviews, go to the Money page at 6PR.com.au and click the Public Companies tab.